Hello guys, and welcome back to Academic Technology channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a quiz on Google Form. This quiz consists of from scratch you create a quiz and you add timer on the quiz so that when you send it to your students, they will answer it within a specific period and the answer will get back to you. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your browser. You must have been logged in your Gmail account. So look at this 9 dot, click on it, go down and you will see form, click on form. I already have this quiz, so I'm creating a blank and the title is academic tutorial, academic quiz. Describe the quiz. Student quiz for students under academic technology class. So what will be the first question? Which of these is not a programming terms? Option A, while loop. Option B, if statement. Option C, do while. Option D, so these are the question for number one. I can say required. So I'll add number two. What is the full meaning of SQL? First option, structured query level. Second option, structured query language. Third option, structured storage query language. Fourth option, storage query level. So I can duplicate this just by clicking here. See. So I've asked first, second, what will be our third question? How do what is console.log used for in JavaScript? It is used to console. It is used to type. It is used to display output. It is used for decoration. So I am stopping on this 1, 2, 3. So these 3 questions, and 3 of them are required. You must answer the 3 of them. So to convert it to quiz, go to settings, make this a quiz. When are you going to release grade? Immediately after submission, later after manual review. If I want a situation whereby the weight and result will come out later, I will choose later after manual review. If I want them to see their result immediately they submitted, I will choose immediately after submission. And on this occasion, these my students, I want them to see their result immediately after submission. Responded settings, missed question. Responded can see questions that they answered incorrectly. Correct answers. Responded can see correct answers after grades are released. If you want the respondent to see questions that he or she answered incorrectly, you tick. You should look at it, you tick. If you want the respondent to see questions he or she answered correctly, you tick. Point value, you tick. Default question point value. This is when you did not set point value for each question. Like if we go back now, you can set number 1 have 6 points, number 2 have 8 points, number 3 have 10 points. But if you want, you can put default point here so that all of them will just have that point. If you put 8, it means for every question they get correctly, 8 points. For every question they get correctly, 8 points. Responses. Manage how responses are collected and protected. If you want to make any change here, look at it. Presentation. Manage how the form and responses are presented. How do you want it? Do you want it to show progress bar, shuffle, show link to submit another response? Just tick show link. You can tick whatever you want. Default, font default settings apply to default and new form. So whatever thing you want to do, you come to the settings and do it. Now let's go and add points to these questions. Now you can answer key. Which one is actually the answer? Which of these is not a programming term? This is the answer. And for any answer they get here, they are going to get 6 points. You say done. You can even put answer feedback. How is not a programming terms. That's if you want to put feedback. Say save. Say done. Right? So we are done with this, and if they get this answer, they are getting 6 points. What is the full meaning of SQL? The answer is structured query language. Click on answer, structured query language. How many points? 8 points. Feedback. The answer is structured query language. Say save, remove, say done. So this, what is console.log used for in JavaScript? It's used to display output. Select it. 0.5 point. Feedback. It's used to log, to display log. Say save and click done. So if I share this file with you now, look at it. The first thing is you must put in your email, and if you get this question correctly, you are getting 6 points. If you get this question correctly, you are getting 8 points. If you get this question correctly, you are getting 5 points. So it's time to put our timer. It says total 19 points. No, I want total to be 20 points. So let's make this one 6 here. So total, I want total to be 20 points. Look at it, total 20 points. So the next thing is to add time. How long will you like this question to last before it submits itself? Go to this 3 dots, click on get add-on. search for form presenter plus timer, click on it, install it, continue, allow, done. So immediately after installing this, you will see this icon here. Close this, go back, you will see this icon, click on it, form presenter and timer, click on it, click on setup. It has popped out for you, it's loading. It has popped out for you, it's loading. So this is the form title, academic quiz, academic quiz. If I want to change image, if I have image of academic logo, I'll go and put image of academic logo. This is for a standard look academic logo. Welcome message. Dear student, please answer, please attend to this quiz. Background, do I want background? Do I want, depends on what you want. Enable form, always timer. It should be just 2 minutes. Just 1 minute. This question is for just 1 minute. Do I need a specific date for them to answer this question? A specific date and time. That is, if I want everybody to answer this question at the same time. This is where it comes in. If it is a real life quiz, all of them should answer it at the same time. Put the date here, start date and end date, put the time. After that particular time, this quiz will expire. But for me, I want it to always be open. But please, if you are setting this quiz for students, choose a date you want them to answer and the time you want them to answer. So I will choose always. You should alert them 1 minute before it closes. For me, so the message for the alert is quiz is closing soon. Time out. Better luck next time. Allow delay in submission. No, we don't want to allow delay in submission. So we will publish this form. But look at this test. I've used 1 out of 20. I'm about to use the second one. Once you use 20, you are going to start subscribing. Once you use 20 tests, you are going to start subscribing. So I publish. So I have published this form successfully. Look at the link. So this is what I will send to my students. This is what I will send to my students. So let us go and test this. Total time 1 minute. The student, please attend to this quiz. Our demo quiz will start. You see that the time has started ticking already. Quiz is closing soon. It's already warning me. So I will answer. How? What is the full meaning of SQL? Okay, 8 points. What is console.log used in JavaScript? Submit/tracking ID. I should not change this thing. This is important for tracking people. I will now submit. Once my email address, so I'll say uniquechupuma at gmail.com. So once I submit, it will kick me out once to submit for me once the time elapsed. So I've submitted. Thank you for using. Your response has been recorded. So let me see the response. I have one response here already. So look at the response. I scored 20. Look at my email. Green, green, green. I got 100%, 100%, 100%. And this is my tracking. This is how you can use Google Form to create quiz for your students. If you have any question on this, please drop it on the comment section. I'll be there to help you. Please remember to subscribe to our Academic Technology channel. Thank you.